Hello, welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. Today I bring you the LG K51, the latest phone in LG's K lineup. Let's take a look at it. Comes with Android 10.0 right out of the gate. As seen here, it allows us the option to choose between display types, whether we want to have the little camera dimple looked at, or if we want to choose for a more blacked out look. The K51 follows in the footsteps of the K40 in keeping with a more sleek body style, as opposed to the previous K20 and K30s, which had more of a round and curvy and chunky body. For those of you worried about the battery, LG has included a 4,000 milliamp hour capacity battery. Also an upgrade from its predecessor, the K51 boasts 3 GB of RAM, along with a speedy 2 GHz octa-core processor. To the dismay of many, the storage has been kept at 32 GB, which in today's day and age is a bit small. There is a silver lining, as it supports up to a 2 TB micro SD card. I'm happy to inform that it comes with a Type-C USB port, finally ditching the micro USB. Right off the bat, you can notice that it has a very glossy, almost mirror-like surface that is very susceptible to scratches, smudges, and fingerprints. Here we can see that LG definitely stepped up their camera game, going from one to a triple camera setup in just one generation. These 3 lenses back here do look like they mean business, but judging from their 13, 5, and 2 megapixel ratings, I'd say they're more bug than bite. It does, however, come with a portrait mode, but I'd say it's more gimmick than function. The back does feature a fingerprint scanner, along with a warning not to open the battery. The front camera is also a 13 megapixel camera, and it's worth noting that, again, they at least kept the auxiliary port. This does come with a LED notification, although it is not turning on at the moment. LG has decided to give their phones a new way to navigate called gestures. It's fairly intuitive, with going up for being home and going to the left to see the rest of your apps. However, don't panic, as there is an option to revert back to the good old buttons-only navigation that Android users have become so accustomed to. If there's any features about the phone that you'd consider essential, or other information I'm sure I missed, be sure to let me know down in the comments. I'm curious as to what we can learn from these phones, as they are not the flagships that get all the media coverage, but rather the unsung heroes of the wireless industry.